Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions with a quick tip on centering toilet flanges. I have set up a quick water closet here with a toilet. I have created a library, long time ago I created this library symbol representing the business end of a pipe. I am going to drop this in here right on the back edge of that toilet. And if you zoom in here, you'll notice that picks up the middle of that object, that CAD block there. So there's my pipe. And then I'm going to, that's centered then left to right because it's in the middle. And I'm just going to move it. I like to do mine 12 and a half inches. So as I move, I'm going to tab. And in my case, it's going to go up on the screen. So that's a Y positive position, 12.5 inches. And there's my pipe flange. If I were to draw a center line, let's say, like so, let's open this up and give it a default and do a center line like that. And I'm going to center each of these on itself, so that's centered. I would move this point to point right here. You could take that and center it on the left to right on the toilet, but you're going to have to I think 12 inches is the standard. I like to go 12 and a half, so it's got a little bit of space there against the drywall. I move it back up against the wall and tab 12.5. And there's my center line. I hope that helps.